Hello everyone. Today I like to take this opportunity to thank my lecturer for the knowledge he imparted on us, our evaluator, and my fellow members of the Environment Club. First, according to the World Health Organization, global warming causes more than 154,000 deaths every year. Furthermore, it is estimated that the number could double by the year 2020. Mm, Professor Andrew Hines told us the the deaths might be more than 154,000 annually. He argues that even though global warming brings about health improvements such as the lowering of cold-related death, many nations will experience higher, especially in the temperate zones. Uh, so the small shifts in temperature possibly extend the range of mosquitoes, which spread malaria. Water sources are likely to be flooded, resulting into crops being washed away. When I was a child, I developed uh, inter- in life, nature, and science. I joined many movements, and most of our club's research is based on reading the experiments based on subjects learned in school. So I'm still committed to science in my daily life to help contribute to saving the planet. So let me share with you some knowledge regarding global warming and what causes it. First, I like to enlighten you about global warming. Also, make a brief description of its causes, and lastly, talk about what we can do to save the planet from global warming. It affects many parts of the continent. Sea level rise, hence water covers shallow island. The result is plants and animals die, while those surviving lose their source of food and their nature habitats. Human beings also lose their source of food when animal and plants perish. This this phenomenon is known as a break in the food chain. So the ocean have not been spared either. The warm waters of the ocean resulting from global warming kill algae, the source of food for marine life. In addition to that, pollution, which is one of the leading causes of global warming, results into acid rain formation. So it eats anyway anything it touches. Moreover, nature fires which destroy the forests is due to increased temperatures. Many things cause global warming, like the burning of fossil fuel to produce energy, chemicals used in industries, and at home produce greenhouse emissions which cause global warming. Furthermore, combustion of non-biodegradable materials such as plastic produces carbon dioxide that escapes into the atmosphere. Hence, the carbon dioxide also traps heat and sunlight, making the Earth warmer. The result is melting of ice in the polar regions, raising the sea and ocean levels. As an individual, we should adopt measures to reduce global warming. Mm, like, for example, we can use one single car when carrying 4 or 5 people instead of each one having a car. Um, Also, planting trees and recycling waste is one way to go. It's it, we can see many trees in the street now. I think it's good. Riding bicycle instead of using cars is good also. The result is fewer greenhouse emission in the air. So I think you all understand what global warming is, what causes it, and the solution. So I think everyone know how important is it. In conclusion, we should be all concerned about global warming. Listen to the trees, the industrial smokes, and the dark skies, which we can understand what I am talking about. It may be easy to paint a dark picture of our future. It's dangerous, but tough choices have to be made regarding the continued global warming and the changing of lifestyles. I urge you to join our environment club and help push the message that we will help save our planet from extinction. So just just protect our earth, protect our environment, and that's it. Thank you, everyone.